We have comments saying we need multi-frame generation on any GPU with Resident Evil Requiem, and this is the video for you. The game looks amazing with this mod. Today's sponsor is our website ModXTech. Every download link in this video are going to be there. As always, our tutorials are so easy after downloading the file from the website. Of course, you have to extract, then go here, go to RE9. Here, copy those, just leave those two, so you have to get those, copy, then go to wherever the game folder location, browse local files, and paste here. What you have to do now is launching the game the first time. Wait for it to go. Okay, that's good. Okay. It's working now, as you can see. If this appears, it means that it's working, as you can see here. Okay, good. Leave your game to compile shaders, everything. Set your settings wherever you want. When you go here on the main menu, as you can see, exit the game. Go again to our file, go to Modix MFG, then copy this file, the XGI, go to Resident Evil Requiem, then browse local files again, and here paste this DXGI file, and this is the last time you have to copy any file. Okay, nice. That's good. As you can see, this RE framework working. When you press the insert key, you will open the RE framework with OptiScaler. You can close them both also. In your keyboard, when you press this key, you will open this menu. But first, go to Options, Graphics, then Image, then Advanced. Make sure to set upscaling technology to DLSS. Can edit your upscaling technology using OptiScaler. Okay, here frame generation, set this wherever you want. For me, I will go with X4. Go back. Okay, the game has auto save. Let's go to the main story to edit settings. Okay, good. It's working, as you can see. Here, enable Ghost Booster. If you have a lot of ghosting, reflex boost, set this to on. Stats bar, you can also enable stats bar. As you can see, we can see our stats. Okay, that's what you have to edit. VSync, set this to off. You can also use dynamic frame generation. I'm not going to use this. Okay, that's good. As you can see, it's working fine. So, if you watched the video to this moment, I hope you put your like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next mod.